My journey as a protester started 31 years ago on Tiananmen Square. I was a college student then. I joined millions of Chinese. Together, we called for a better China with freedom and democracy for all. It was very exciting. It was like a festival of freedom. When together, we felt like freedom was within reach. Even though the protest was brutally repressed, still today I am excited and motivated by the dream we shared with so many people. It was only because of the protest that we knew there were so many who, like us, shared the same dream. And the brutal killings cannot change that, and the censorship cannot change that. Today, Humanitarian China, the organization I co-founded, supports many protesters in China who work for a better China in their own ways through protests, even though they are facing senseless, brutal repression. It is through these people we see a hope. We protest for change. We protest to expose the brutality of the government. We protest to let the world know there are still many who, like us, who are willing to sacrifice for the universal value. We protest because we have a hope for a better society. We protest most importantly because through protest we define our own dignity and identity. Through these protests, we speak for this voice that's repressed, for these voices that cannot be heard. We protest because that's the way we define ourselves against this totalitarian regime.